This is Daniel. Today, I want to introduce SUNIX DevicePort's new application. SUNIX DevicePort is a COM port or printer port duplicate over Ethernet connections. Today, I will share one application about single PC, single desktop for multi-user application. Okay, so let's go into the application. We are going to the supermarket. Checkout counter here. There is number 1 and the number 2 checkout counter. So there are 2 cashiers here to handle the checkout process. So each counter has their own POS system. The POS system is a standard PC structure with I/O port, including the VGA, USB, and the COM port, RS232. The counter 1. And the counter 2 is the same. PC here, VGA port, USB port, and the COM port here. So each cashier can have their own process operation. So now, what we want to do, we want to save one PC and share single PC resource with 2 users using at the same time. However, 2 users can working independent. They have their own Windows user experience. So we will save one PC structures. The structure will be here. We will put the PC in the middle of the checkout counter. Only one PC desktop. And the first user, they can use the original PC resource, including the VGA port, USB port, and a COM port, as usual. The second cashier, we will create a VM, virtual machine structure. We may call it VDI, virtual desktop infrastructure. So we create a VM structure with Windows 7 user experience. And they share single PC resource to the second users. So if we want VM structures, we need Ethernet connections. Ethernet connection for one sync line and SUNIX DevicePort. For the sync line, you can easily expansion the VGA port and USB port. For SUNIX DevicePort, you can expansion COM port for RS232, 42245 expansion, or printer port. And this set is for cashier number 2. So you can use only one PC resource and one VM structure for 2 different users using at the same time. I will draw the structure for diagram next one. The PC desktops here with the PC with Windows or Linux is fine. And the first cashier, the first account, counter 1, still using the PC original I/O port, USB, COM port, and VGA for the first cashier. And the second, we will use the VM structures. The VM structures, you can use the free Oracle VirtualBox. They'll create a virtual machine here. So with the Ethernet connection to SUNIX DevicePort and DC chain to the sync line, you can use the wires, HP, even any pad. So this client, you can use the ARM-based structure, PC structure, or pad. It is general purpose. So over the Ethernet connection here. So with SUNIX DevicePort, you can expansion the COM port and the printer port. And for sync line, you can have standard VGA port and USB port. So this set will be the counter 2 for the cache number 2. It's over Ethernet connection. What's different with SUNIX DevicePort solution with ours? What different ours? SUNIX DevicePort is driver installed in the virtual machine, not the PC itself. So that's why I explained. Well, no matter what kind of the sync line, no matter it's kind of the ARM-based, x86, PC processor-based, Intel-based sync line, that we all can compatible with other applications because our driver be installed in a VM system here. Okay, so this be separate to state. Single PC resource here, and the first user here with the original PC resource, and the second user run the VM structures. The VM structures is the software, and this is the hardware. It can be reduce the cost for the POS application. Let's see the demo.